cheaper. Do not think, however, that it has the get-up-and-go of Jabba the Hutt. Because the electric motor in this produces a whopping 176 horsepower. That's about what you get from a Volkswagen GTI, so it's pretty nippy. The only problem is that after just 6 miles, the batteries will be flat. So you'll need to plug your car into the mains and sit about eating a chocolate chew for 2 hours until they're charged up again. Or if this doesn't appeal, there is an alternative. Because you see, the P1 is fitted as standard with an on-board petrol-powered generator. And it is quite a big one. In fact, it's a 3.8-litre, twin-turbocharged, 722 horsepower V8. We push this button. There it is, firing up. And the great thing is, it's not just charging the batteries, it's also working alongside the electric motor to power the wheels. So the P1 then is not like a G-Wiz at all, in any way. Thanks to that generator, you can take this out of the city centre and onto the open road. And that's another reason I've come to Belgium. Because there are so many roads to choose from. Belgium has 3 times as many roads and 50% more cars per square mile than we do in Britain. And the stats from this remarkable country just keep on coming. There are so many miles of street-lit motorway here that Belgium is officially the brightest country on earth. It's a little-known fact that Buzz Aldrin's first words when he set foot on the moon were, "Good God, you can see Belgium from up here." Abraham. On the road I chose, there was rain. There was sunshine. There were clear stretches. And there were traffic jams. And the McLaren was quiet and comfortable through it all. But it was not what you'd call luxurious. It is, frankly, as well equipped as a pair of monk's underpants.
No, I don't want to cancel this delivery because you destroyed my truck, game.
And that's because